In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an IP address for your domain in GoDaddy step by step. This is one of the most important DNS settings if you want your domain to point to a website, server, or hosting provider correctly. Whether you're connecting a new website, changing hosting, or updating your records, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely. If you find this useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Then sign into your account using the login details that manage the domain you want to update. Once you're signed in, look for My Products and click on it. This area shows all of the products and services connected to your GoDaddy account, including your domains. Next, under the Domains section, find the domain you want to configure and select it. Make sure you choose the correct domain if you have more than one, because the DNS changes will apply to the specific domain you open here. After that, click DNS, or you may see it labeled Manage DNS. This is where all of your domain records are stored and edited. On the DNS page, you'll see different types of records, such as A records, CNAME records, and more. For this tutorial, we need to work with the A record, because that is the record that points your domain directly to an IP address. Find the A record in the list and click the Edit icon next to it. When the Edit window opens, you'll see fields like Host and Points to. In the Host field, set it to the @ symbol. This tells GoDaddy that you want the root domain, or the main domain without any prefix, to point to that IP address. In the Points to field, enter the IP address that you want your domain to use. Double-check the IP address carefully before saving, because even one wrong number can send visitors to the wrong server or cause your website not to load properly. Once everything looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy may take a little time to update the DNS record, so don't worry if the change is not immediate. DNS propagation can take some time, depending on your settings and internet provider, so the update may not appear everywhere right away. After saving, your domain is now set to point to the IP address you entered. That means when someone visits your domain, GoDaddy will direct them to the server connected to that IP. If you also want the www version of your domain to work, you may need to check your CNAME or additional DNS settings as well, depending on how your hosting provider is set up. But for the basic IP address setup, the A record is the key step. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an IP address for your domain in GoDaddy. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.